Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome to Week of Code. So today we're going to be looking at how to set up Git on your system. So I'm going to be covering the installation process for Windows, Linux as well as Mac OS. So for Linux users, open up a terminal and type in git version. Git space hyphen hyphen version. So this would output the version of Git installed on a system. So if you don't have Git installed on a system, try sudo apt hyphen get space install git. Wait for the process to complete and Git will be now installed on your system. So for Windows users, open up a browser of your choice. You need to download an app for this. So search for Git Bash. From the search result, pick up the first link, which is Git for Windows. Click the download button and download the executable file. Run the executable file and follow along the instructions. Yes, Git is now installed on your Windows. For Mac OS users, open up a terminal and check whether Git is already installed on your system by typing git space hyphen hyphen version. If you don't have Git installed on your system, you need to download an additional software called Homebrew. Instructions for which will be linked down below. And after that, type in brew install git. Yes, so Git is now installed on the system. Hope this video helped. Stay curious, stay creative. This video was brought to you by Center for Cyber Innovations, FISAT.